Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Kirat and today I am going to talk about top 5 places in Gujarat. List of top 5 places in Gujarat are Rani Ki Vav, Gir National Park, White Desert, Marine National Park, Saputara. Rani Ki Vav, a stunning steeple well recognized by the UNESCO. A steeple in Patan, Rani Ki Vav, was built by Queen Rani of Bhimdeva Udyamati. Constructed in the 11th century to preserve groundwater, Rani Ki Vav today is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The major highlights of the steep well are its walls that are decorated with figurative motifs and showcases images of various gods and goddesses from the Hindu pantheon. Gir National Park, largest home for the Asiatic lions, boasting being the only place in India with the largest population of Asiatic lions. Gir National Park in Junagadh, Gujarat is the best destination for wildlife lovers. Along with lions, this national park is a home to more than 300 bird species like great horned owl, crested serpent eagle, and it is also an habitat to the other members of the cat family like the leopards. White Desert or Great Rann of Kutch, a spectacular sight for prowling the salt desert. A must-visit trip to Gujarat. Great Rann of Kutch is one of the world's largest white salt desert. It is over an area of 7,500 square kilometers. The salt desert is best when it is visited during the Rann Utsav, which happens between November and March. A tent city is set up amidst the desert for tourists during the Rann Utsav, and the cultural festivals are organized. During the festival, you can enjoy camel safaris and can witness traditional handicraft of Gujarat. You can also experience the village life of the nearby rural areas like Hudka and Dordu. Saputara, an ideal gateway to find respite for summer heat. Saputara is a charming hill station located in the Dang district of Indian state of Gujarat. The unmatched scenic beauty of this place beckons tourists from across the country all around the year, from enhancing landscapes, glittering waterfalls, dense forests to natural parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Saputara in Gujarat is a holistic tourist destination. Saputara is the only hill station of Gujarat. Here are plenty of things to do in Saputara to have a fascinating and a relaxing vacation. Marine National Park, which is India's first marine national park. It consists of 42 islands along the northern coast of Jamnagar and southern coast of Kutch. Marine National Park is India's first marine national park and wildlife sanctuary. The park is the only place in India where you can see the coral reefs of different shapes and sizes without diving in the water. Marine National Park is also one of the best wildlife destinations in Gujarat. The major attractions here are Pyroton, Narala, Ajad and Positara. To reach the Marine National Park, you can hire a boat from the Bedi port or Sika port. I hope you understood a lot about Gujarat today. If please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.